Yoga is the path of health, relaxation, and happiness. Good morning to one and all. Today, myself Sarabjit Kaur of class BCom first year, on the behalf of Guru Nanak Khalsa College, Toli Kala, and as a volunteer of NSS, here I am going to speak on the topic importance of yoga in modern world. The word yoga has been derived from the Sanskrit root yug, which means to unite and to join. Originally, yoga has been practiced in ancient India. Yoga teaches us the knowledge about how to live a healthy life. It improves our concentration, creativity, and sharpens our memory. To maintain a healthy life, physical and mental, we must do yoga on daily basis. The modern life tempts us with comfort, but still we are living a comfortable and convenient life, but we are paying for it. How? By obesity, hypertension, and cardiac problem. Although we have high-tech medical facilities, but still we are leading stressful, unhealthy, and unpeaceful life. In this situation, yoga helpful in different ways, as it calm our mind, soul, and body. In the middle of hustle and bustle of life, modern life, our emotional stability declines day by day. So, to prevent it, yoga is must. As we can say, in the modern life, yoga is very important as it increases our muscle strength and mental stability. As doing yoga on daily basis, it increases our IQ and memory system. As doctor recommended to do yoga on daily basis. Usually people do yoga to lose their muscle mass about 50 to 40. Yoga have an exercises like stretching. By doing this, our muscles become more powerful. As we don't do yoga on daily basis, our muscles become weaker. As we can say that students can also do yoga to increase their productivity and to immune their system fastly, and they can do their tasks by daily and fastly. So doing yoga on the daily basis increases our productive activities, increases our stamina, and also decreases stress. By doing yoga, many health problems are stay away from it. So do yoga on daily basis as to live a healthy life. So in the end, I just want to say that you can do yoga and in the morning time just for half an hour, so that you can live a healthy life and a long life. So thank you and have a nice day.